What is coal ash and why is it dangerous? Imagine a byproduct of burning coal that quietly lingers in our environment, but can cause serious harm if not handled properly. That's what coal ash is. It's the leftover mineral residue from power plants that burn coal to generate electricity. When coal is burned, the mineral parts don't burn up. Instead, they turn into fine particles called fly ash that float with the gases. Heavier particles, known as bottom ash, settle at the bottom of the furnace. Chemically, coal ash is mostly made up of oxides like silicon dioxide, aluminum oxide, iron oxide, and calcium oxide. These make up over 90% of its mineral content. But it also contains small amounts of toxic trace elements like arsenic, lead, mercury, cadmium, chromium, and selenium. Some of these are heavy metals that can be very harmful. It also contains radioactive elements and organic compounds that are not good for health. When coal ash gets into water, it can be very dangerous for fish and other aquatic life. If a spill happens, like the one at Kingston Fossil Plant, millions of gallons of coal ash slurry can flood into rivers and lakes. This contamination can poison fish directly, making it hard for them to survive, grow, or reproduce. Heavy metals from the ash can build up inside fish tissues, which can make them unsafe for people to eat. These toxins can also enter the food chain, harming smaller aquatic creatures that fish relying on for food. Over time, the water quality can decline, affecting not just fish but all the plants and animals living in that habitat. The Kingston Fossil Plant coal ash spill is a clear example of how dangerous this waste can be. When the spill happened, it released a huge amount of coal ash into nearby waterways, contaminating the environment and threatening local fish populations. That event showed how important it is to manage coal ash carefully and prevent leaks or spills. Proper containment and disposal are key to protecting our water and wildlife. In short, coal ash is a hazardous leftover from burning coal that contains toxic metals and chemicals. If it gets into water bodies, it can poison fish, disrupt ecosystems, and even pose health risks to humans. Keeping coal ash contained and properly disposed of is vital for outdoor conservation and protecting our environment from damage.